class that we're going to be doing is a snowflake earring. And I had a customer come in this past holiday and was doing a seed bead snowflake earring, and I thought it looked kind of difficult. So I said, nope, we're just going to get out our little Super 8s. I love this bead. This happens to be one of my favorite beads that I sell. It is like a baby super dual. Now, I have done this class with, I'm sure it's very similar to all the other ones that are out there. It's a very simple class, but a very elegant little earring. And you can do it in a ton of colors. I sold a lot of them at Christmas. So you're going to need 4 crystals of any color for the center of the snowflake and for the top for your earring. And then for class purposes, I'm going to do this one with gold ear wires. And we sell these ear wires with the bling on them, lever backs. I love them.